Hello, David Vermillion here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to cut your own hair in accordance with Air Force and CAP uniform regulations. I have included a link to the clippers I used in the description below. So first up, you're going to need a pair of clippers like this, about $40 off of Amazon. You can get one at Walmart as well. Look for a good high quality one that will last you a good long while. You need to oil it, and then after that, you have some equipment here. These are the pieces that are going to snip on to it, and these are what's going to be making the haircut work. We're going to start first with this by itself, and we have some mirrors as well. I have a mirror right here, and I have a mirror here. This is going to be important so that you can see behind your head, because this gives you a general idea here, but for back here, you'll need this. Next up, plug it in. This is already oiled. You have some adjustments here. This is as close in as I can get. I'm going to first go over the nape of my neck here to get a curve. That's what you'll see next. So this is a number 4, 1/2 inch, 13mm piece that we put on here. This is going to go over the top of your hair. This will be the longest portion of this haircut. This one is a number 3/8 of an inch, 10mm. This one, the idea is you're going to be going around the crown of your head. It's going to feel a little weird. You're going to have to feel like you're going up to be able to make this curve, because if you're thinking this direction, it's actually going to feel more like you need to go like this. But as you see going down like that, that's not actually what you're after, so you have to go up over here. This one is a number 2, 1/4 inch, 6mm piece, and this is the one that's going to take the most time. It's going to do the majority of the hairs on your head. The crown area, from there down, is where this is going. This one is the right ear taper. You're actually going to be using both the right and left ear tapers over this entire region here. This just refers to which side you'll be going. So right ear, you're going to be going out this direction. This is the left ear taper, and so you'll be going around the other direction with it. So this one is a number 1, 1/8 inch, 3mm piece, and this one we're going to use for sideburns here and a little bit closer in over here with the ear taper. The ear taper will get the majority of the hair, but sometimes you'll still have hair that's actually touching here, so that's why this is important. Additionally, you may have a few areas like right here where you might want to get a little bit of an extra cut. notice I was doing this inside my bathroom, and we have a hardwood floor. It's nice and easy to clean up. Hardwood, linoleum, tile, anything like that. I have a vacuum, so next up I'm going to vacuum the clippers first, and then my head, and then I'll vacuum the floor after that. This particular haircut is in regulations for males for AFI 36-2903 and Cap Manual 39-1. It's pretty simple, you can do it yourself. You're in regulations all the time. I highly recommend that you do it. Thank you for watching.